Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick here to take you through today's market action. It was another doozy. Stocks rebounded off early weakness, but then faded into the close. The Dow finished down 1.5%. The S&P shed 1.25%. The Russell lost 1%, while the Nasdaq closed 0.4% lower. Not terrible. As far as the sectors go, financials were the worst performer. It was a different tone in the market today with weakness in banks, industrials, and staples. Maybe you can find some hope that the defensive group was down and tech outperformed the market. Let's talk some of the biggest stories. Of course, tariffs are a huge one. Tariffs against Mexico, Canada, China. Some argue behind the weakness. Tesla tapped a 4-month low and Microsoft hit its 52-week low. 25% tariffs were set against Mexico and Canada and raised tariffs on China to 20%. Canada responded with 25% reciprocal tariffs, and China announced tariffs on U.S. farm products. Get the picture? Lots of tariffs going around. Market not a big fan of it. It didn't help when Crowdstrike missed its earnings in the afternoon, a company that many expected to continue to show big growth, and they did, but they couldn't quite pull off the bottom line, maybe because they had to coax some of their customers to stay after the blackout. After hours, the company missed on EPS guidance. Quarter one projections of 64 to 66 cents were well short of $1.10 forecast by analysts. The company also missed revenue guidance for the quarter and fiscal year. CEO George Kurtz says the company still sees strong momentum in cloud security and its Falcon AI platform. Earlier in the day, Target was a highlight. It slipped 3%. Best Buy also dropped a ton, 13%, following both earnings reports in the morning. Target beat Wall Street's quarterly estimates, but its 1% net sales increase was not impressive for 2026 and fell short of expectations of 2.5%. Best Buy was not any better. CEO Corey Berry warned investors that tariffs will, quote, make price increases for American consumers highly likely. Tomorrow, we do have some more earnings. We have Marvell, Zscaler, MongoDB, Rigetti. There's some exciting tech and AI plays. Those are after hours. We'll get reports from Abercrombie & Fitch, Foot Locker, and Campbell Soup in the morning. We've also got a lot of economic data and important stuff. ADP employment, we'll get the jobs numbers rolling. ISM services is the highlight in my mind after manufacturing was weak. Bulls do not want that number to be the same. That's it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.